This video/stream is sponsored by The Marketplace, powered by Trader Central. Recently launched, The Marketplace is a town square for traders to make a living out of the ecosystem. Currently, Havana is accessible, a digital playground where you play to earn tokens, which can be used for discounts on your funding plan or purchase perks to fast-track your challenge. Go to the link in the description and access The Marketplace.
Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing weekly technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. We'll look at the price action from the weekly time frame to 5 minutes time frame and understand the current trend of the price action, support and resistance levels. And when we look at the economical events calendar for Monday will be August 1st. We have bank holiday for Australian dollar, Swiss franc and Canadian dollar. And mostly we have lots of low impacting news. At 7:30 p.m. we have high impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in weekly time frame now. When we look at the price action in weekly time frame, we already know that it went on a bullish trend, then it came back on a retracement, then it again bounced back on the bullish trend, and now it has completed its retracement up to the support level of 1680, and currently we are noticing the price action to make a retracement from this past support level of 1680. So this level is acting as a very strong support for the current price action in weekly time frame also. And when we look at the past price action, it had gone on a bullish side trend, then it found resistance around the resistance level of 2076, then it bounced back on the bearish retracement. Again we have noticed a little bit of consolidation happening over here, but it didn't break the previous high. Then it started trending on the bearish side. Again we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bullish side, but still it didn't break the previous high. Every time it went on a bullish side retracement, we have noticed the price action to trend on the bearish side, and overall trend was on a bearish trend because it did not break the previous highs. Here only the wicks have crossed, the whole body has closed below this resistance line. And currently when we compare the price action with the past price action, it went on a bullish rally, then it retraced, again it made a little bit of consolidation over here, but it did not break the previous high. Again it found resistance around the resistance level of 1970, then it started trending on a bearish side, and currently it has bounced back from the support level of 1680, and we are noticing a retracement to happen from the support level of 1680 in the weekly time frame. But overall when we look at the trend of the price action, it did not break the previous high. So we can consider present pullback or the bullish trend as a retracement. It is not a trend reversal when we look at the price action from the weekly time frame, because it has not broken the previous high. It is only trying to pull back on the bullish side. And when we look at the current support and resistance levels in weekly time frame, I am using the Fibonacci's retracement tool. The immediate resistance is going to be around 1773, and if the price action breaks this resistance level, and next level of resistance it's going to be around 1831. Let us do the analysis in daily time frame. I am in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, the overall trend of the price action in daily time frame is also in a bearish trend, and currently we know that the price action has taken support on the support level of 1680, and it is on a retracement. Whether the bullish side retracement is going to continue or not, so looking at the current price action, we have the resistance line of the bearish channel pattern running over here, and we have little more space over here to fill up. So we can expect the bullish trend to continue until it finds a resistance at the bearish channel pattern resistance line. I have also drawn one more resistance line over here, because in the past we have noticed the price action to extend its wicks over here and the price to retrace back on the bearish side. So until the price action is trading within this resistance zone, there are chances for the price action to bounce back on the bearish side trend. And compared to the support level, the resistance levels are weaker. So currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bullish side. The level of 1752 is going to be acting as a very strong support, and the level of 1773 is going to be acting as a very strong resistance. And current price action is trading between a very strong support and resistance levels. Wait for the price action to break this resistance level in order to take trades on the bullish side. Next level of resistance from the daily time frame is going to be around 1798 or 1800. And the current price action in daily time frame is also on a bullish side retracement. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, I am again drawing a bullish channel pattern. And based on this bullish channel pattern, the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame is in a bullish trend. Currently it has tested the resistance line of the bullish channel pattern, forming into a double top pattern. Wait for the price action to break this support level of 1752 to take trades on the bearish side. And next level of support is going to be the bullish channel pattern support line. Only when the price action breaks this support line, we can expect the further continuation of the bearish trend. Otherwise, we can expect the bullish side trend reversal to start from this support line, because overall trend in hourly time frame is still in a bullish trend. So these are all the support and resistance levels from the past price action. These levels will give you an indication where the chances for trend reversal are there. It is not like it will not breach this resistance level or it will not breach this support level. The price has to break the support and resistance level in order to continue its trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in orange color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame, and the values in green color are the resistance and support levels from the daily time frame. And the trend of the price action in daily time frame is in a bearish trend, and the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame is in a bullish trend. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, I am drawing a trend line or a support line. So based on this support line, we can notice that price action had respected this support line and went on a bullish trend and found resistance on the hourly time frame resistance line, and currently we have noticed a price action to breach this support line and to retest this resistance line now. And also it has not broken the previous high, which means that we can already understand that bearish trend reversal has started in 30 minutes time frame. But the confirmation on the bearish side trend continuation will come only when it breaks the previous low of 1752, from which you can enter into a bearish side trades. And if the price action breaks this resistance line, we have the next level of resistance, which is from the daily time frame around the level of 1773. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this orange color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Wait for the price action to break the previous high if you want to take trades on the bullish side, and wait for the price action to break the previous support level of 1754 in order to take trades on the bearish side. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. For 5 minutes time frame, I am again drawing a trend line or a support line. So based on this support line, we can notice that every time the price action retraces on the bearish side, we have noticed it to trend little lower than the previous low. And as long as this resistance line is not breached, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 5 minutes time frame. It is forming into an widening wedge. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this orange color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. Once this resistance level of 1767 is broken, we can expect a very strong bounce back on the bullish side. and if this support level is broken, we can expect it to retrace to the higher time frame support level of 1752. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.